Okay, my friends, I'm going to explain something to you. This is Captain Jason Morton, 1628 East 6th Street, Pueblo, Colorado, 81001, or Happy Home Computers. I want to explain something to you that you can understand in the simplest terms. Just, it can't get any simpler than this because somebody just sent me a picture of a drone and saying, why is the video all garbled and why does it look all, you know, unfocused? That's a lie. That's propaganda. I'm telling you. We can see a speck of dust on your ball sack. That's a bunch of lies. And let me explain it to you the easiest way that I can explain it to you. The Hubble telescope can see into different galaxies. Pointed back at Earth, what would the Hubble telescope be able to see? Oh, you get it. That's right. Microscopic. It could see a flea on a tick on the top of your ball sack. Don't tell me that it can. And don't tell me just because you're calling something, you know, freaking that can see into other galaxies, a telescope, that's not what it is. That's not even close to what it is. It's a satellite. It's taking pictures. It's taking video. It's always, and like I said, it's up in space turning. If it was pointed back at the Earth and sending a signal this way, it would be called a satellite. And since it's sending a signal the other way, why do they call it a telescope? The Hubble telescope. Come on, call it what it is. It's a satellite. It's taking video footage. It's taking pictures. It's sending signals. It can do a lot more than they're telling you that it can do. So, and they're not telling you that they can turn it around and point it at Earth. Why wouldn't they tell you that? They want you to think it's always pointed the other direction. It's not. And it's got better shit in it than they're telling you. Okay? Infrared. It doesn't just take pictures in the form of that you're seeing on NASA's Space Channel and CNN, and there's other forms, and you should know this. There's other forms of picture taking. And if you know anything about anything, then you would know, what does a bone scan do? What does a CAT scan do? What does, what other kinds of, and these things can do a lot more than they're telling you. And it's searching for things that you can't even see. The human eye, it's putting out signals and sound. And that's what I was trying to explain to you before. There's things that you can't see and there's things that you can't hear. There's things that only certain, and we'll just say certain other communication devices will be able to pick up on what it's sending out. Dog, you're going to get smacked. You better cut it out. I'm sorry to tell you, but you guys don't know enough about radio waves, and you don't know enough about, microwave emitters, and you don't know enough about, you just don't know, all you're looking at is what you can see. And what you can see, well, I'm sorry to tell you, that's not all that's out there. That's the best way to put it, lake.